Welcome back to day 6, and today we're releasing one of the deepest patterns that affects your relationship with money, and that's scarcity programming. Scarcity isn't just about what's in your bank account, it's a subconscious belief that says there's never enough. Not enough money, not enough opportunities, not enough time, not enough success to go around. So when your subconscious believes that there's never enough, it makes decisions from fear instead of trust. So today, we're rewriting that story. Abundance doesn't begin when your bank account changes. Abundance begins when your mind no longer expects that lack. So take a deep breath and follow along. Even though I've been programmed to expect lack, I deeply and completely accept myself and I choose a new story. Even though scarcity has felt familiar, I'm ready to release it and create a life rooted in abundance. Even though part of me still expects money to disappear today, I choose trust, safety, and overflow. I've been carrying scarcity for a long time. Maybe it wasn't even mine. Maybe I inherited it. Maybe I learned it growing up. But I don't have to keep it. I can choose something different. I release scarcity programming. I choose abundance. There is more than enough. More opportunities. More clients. More money. More possibilities. I no longer compete with life. I cooperate with abundance. I trust there is enough for me. I release the fear of not having enough. I release the fear of losing what I have. I release the fear of running out. My future is not defined by my past. I'm creating a new reality. One decision at a time. One belief at a time. One breath at a time. My mind is learning abundance. My body is learning abundance. My nervous system is learning abundance. Overflow is becoming familiar. Receiving is becoming natural. Keeping money is becoming natural. Growing wealth is becoming natural. I welcome this new normal. I stop expecting lack. I stop preparing for disaster. I stop assuming the worst. I choose trust instead. Life supports me. Money supports me. Opportunities support me. I am deeply supported. Every day I notice more evidence of abundance. I notice new possibilities. I notice generous opportunities. I notice financial blessings. I notice support all around me. My attention creates my experience. I choose to focus on abundance. Abundance responds to my attention. Last round. Scarcity is no longer my identity. Lack is no longer my expectation. Fear is no longer my guide. Trust is my new foundation. Abundance is my new normal. Overflow is available to me. I receive it with confidence. I release scarcity and welcome a life of limitless possibility. Hands on the heart. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale. Notice how your body feels. Scarcity is not your destiny. It is simply a pattern your subconscious learned. And every time you're tapping, you're teaching your body and your mind a new truth, that there is enough, that you are enough, and there is more than enough available for you. So today's sovereign rep is, I release every pattern of scarcity. I trust life. I trust myself. And I normalize abundance in every area of my life. Overflow is my new expectation.